Here we are going to discuss how to eradicate or how to debug all the Jupyter related problem you have faced in VS Code. So in this document, I'm going to share it through my GitHub channel. This is the way. Let's see in a practical scenario what will happen, right? So, yeah, it is our VS Code, which is already we know. So again, to clear it, is a command. The command is Control L. Now how to choose it? So it is type your Control Shift and P, then select Python interpreter. Then you will find there is two option is there. First, start from this. The selected interpreter is your, this one is already selected. Let's change it, switch over it from one project to another virtual environment. For another project is another virtual environment. Say this my this environment. Now this one, now go here, select kernel, then yeah, it's comment here, this lab, or you can go for here existing Jupyter kernel from here, or you can go for here also. Let's see this. So anywhere you can change, anywhere you can do, and whatever maybe you wish you can change it. Now this is also come in a virtual environment. This one also, whatever maybe, in that way you can switch over. Right here you can click. Now you wish to click this one, you can go with this one. Then to run, so you can click at here, so it will run at here. So in that way you can debug. This is not a big deal. You take a patient and have to carry on the coding, and you may face problem, but you can overcome.